If you've been preparing your home for listing photos, you've already done a lot of the hard work, but showings are a different challenge. It's not about getting everything perfect for one day, it's about maintaining standards over the weeks while you're still living in the home, with buyers calling for last-minute tours. In this video, we'll walk you through what actually makes a difference during showings, including some things that photos can't even capture. I'm Joe. Our team has helped over 500 families buy and sell homes, and the showing process is one of the parts sellers are most surprised by. Not because it's hard, but because what matters isn't always what they expected. Here's something most sellers don't realize. Buyers aren't evaluating your home the way you might think. They're not calculating square footage or weighing the value of upgrades. What they're really asking themselves is a lot simpler. Can I see myself living here? Does this feel right? The reaction is emotional, and it happens within seconds of walking through the front door. Your job isn't just to present the home, it's to create a space where someone can easily imagine their life. And unlike the listing photos, which capture a single frozen moment, showings are a full sensory experience. Buyers see, smell, and feel the space in a way a photo never conveys. That's what makes preparing for showings a different challenge than preparing for photos. Before your first showing, the foundation is straightforward. Declutter surfaces, countertops, tables, nightstands, and depersonalize the space by removing family photos, personal collections, and anything that makes it feel specifically like it's yours. Give the home a thorough deep clean, paying particular attention to kitchens and bathrooms. Turn on all the lights, open the blinds, and let in as much natural light as possible. And don't overlook the exterior. If the front of the home looks neglected, buyers arrive with doubts before they've even stepped inside. Get those things right before you go live, and you're starting from a strong position. Now here's where preparation gets complicated. You can't just get the house ready once and call it done. Buyers will often call within a just few hours notice, sometimes they're already in the neighborhood. Your home needs to stay consistently ready throughout the entire time it's on the market. A simple way to think about it, leave the house every day as if someone might walk through while you're gone. No dishes in the sink, no clothes left out, common areas clear. Once that becomes a habit rather than a scramble, the whole process gets a lot less stressful. This is where showings and listing photos really diverge. Smell is one of the first things buyers notice when they walk in, and one of the quickest deal breakers. If you have pets, remove them during showings and eliminate odors. Don't just mask them with air fresheners, buyers notice that too, and it can raise its own red flags. Opening windows before a showing is usually the most effective solution. Beyond smell, think about how the home feels to move through. Is there room to walk comfortably from space to space? Do rooms feel open or crowded? If there's anything that interrupts the flow, oversized furniture, boxes, pet items in the way, address it before the showings begin. Before every showing, do a quick reset. Clear surfaces and put away any clutter. Open the blinds and turn on all the lights. Remove pet items and eliminate any odors, and do a fast wipe down of the kitchen and bathrooms. It takes maybe 10 minutes once it becomes routine, and it can make a real difference in how the home feels when buyers walk in. This last one is simple but important. When buyers arrive, leave. When sellers are home during showings, buyers feel rushed. They hesitate to open doors, explore freely, or spend time in rooms they're drawn to. They can't have an honest conversation with their agent. The emotional connection that leads to an offer just doesn't form that same way. When you're not there, buyers can move at their own pace, talk openly, and actually picture themselves in the home. That's the environment that leads to strong offers. Preparing for showings is really about two things: maintaining the standards you set before listing and making space, literally and emotionally, for buyers to connect with your home. If you want a complete picture of the selling process from preparation through closing, download our Home Sellers Guide. It walks through every step so you know exactly what to expect.